Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to share a Netflix account with friends. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you are well connected with your internet service and also make sure to log in into your account. So first of all, open up your Netflix application. As you open up your Netflix application, on the other page you will be directed into home page. So over here you'll have to tap on the profile icon, which is in the top right corner. As you tap on it, on the other side you have profile and more, and you can see under it or right in between there is manage profile. So then tap on it. Once you do that, on the other side you can see your profile, and under it you can see there is add profile. So then you'll have to tap on add profile in order to share your account with friends. Once you tap on it, on the other side you'll have to create a new profile. So then give it a name. Over here you can see there is profile name, so give a name or just type in the name of your friend that you actually want to share your Netflix account with. So after you do that, right on top there is your profile, and you can even change it just by tapping on the pencil icon, which is right in the corner. So then select any character that you actually like. So once you do that, tap on save in the top right corner. Now you can see that the profile has been created, and now he or she will be able to enjoy Netflix. So that is how you can share Netflix account with friends. In case you're new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe, and if you have already subscribed to our channel, then keep supporting us. Thanks for watching.